In a secret hangar in Munich, Germany, something impossible is being built.
No engine, no air.
700 kilometers per hour, inside a total vacuum.
This is the TUM Hyperloop. And the future is moving faster than you think.
Speed is no longer about engines. It is about removing the air.
The Munich Ambition, connecting Berlin to Munich in just 30 minutes.
A legacy of precision engineering, rooted in decades of Maglev innovation.
CFRP offers the structural integrity to withstand vacuum pressures while remaining light. Tolerance is measured in microns. At 700 kilometers per hour, there is no room for vibration.
The shell is hand-laid. Strength is built layer by layer, alternating the grain for maximum rigidity.
Make sure the tape is flush with the mold. Got it. Check the corner over here.
Under 6 bars of pressure and 180 degrees Celsius, the resin bonds the fibers into a single, indestructible unit.
Magnetic levitation requires extreme precision. The gap must be maintained within millimeters.
To reach 700 kilometers per hour, the inverters must manage massive surges of energy instantly. The interior is designed for passenger comfort in a windowless, high-speed environment. Sensors scan the tube thousands of times per second to ensure a clear path.
The pod is ready. Now, the atmosphere must be removed.
To eliminate air resistance, we must create a void. We are reducing the atmosphere to 1/1000th of sea level. Temperature fluctuations in the German climate cause the steel to expand. These joints prevent the vacuum from breaking. The docking is purely magnetic. Contact is the enemy of speed. Berlin to Munich. All systems online. Initiating levitation. The weight of the world is lifted by magnetism.
Air gap stability is at 100%, ready for acceleration.
Slow speed calibration. Every meter is a data point.
Safety is redundant. We push the materials to twice their expected load. In a vacuum, Communication is handled via a dedicated internal wireless mesh.
Continuity is everything. A 1 millimeter gap is felt at 700 kilometers per hour.
Energy is recycled. As the pod breaks, power is fed back into the grid.
In the rare event of depressurization,
Every gram counts. We have reduced the pod weight by 15% through CFRP optimization.
Levitation confirmed. Preparing for high-velocity sequence.
In the absence of air, acceleration is effortless. Efficiency is 98%. Heat is our only waste product. Precision stopping. The future of travel is arriving on time. Pressure equalized. The journey of the pod is complete.
The nose cone is showing consistent heat signature, right within tolerance.
what about the CFRP stress points near the coupling?
Terabytes of telemetry confirm the stability of the vacuum environment. Passenger comfort is maintained. The transition to 700 kilometers per hour is seamless.
From raw carbon to the future of transit. This is German engineering redefined.
The distance between us is shrinking. The vacuum is the new frontier.